All right, we just showed you the gold trade. We showed you the gold trade. Now here's the crude trade also. I want to show you guys confluence. We know we only have 2 spots in the market on my large 5 sim Renko. There's only 2 spots to buy and sell. We just had a $1,500 move on gold, potentially on gold all the way up. Heck, Gerald, show that real quick on gold. Go to gold real quick. There was our gold trade right there. We had a trend change. And the one thing I want to get you familiar with, when you see market profile overlap the black line in the sand right here, you see how the dotted line overlapped LVA? Look at that explosion, all with 5-minute trend too. Okay, that's the 5 sim Renko setup. The same thing happened on crude oil. If you look at crude oil, we've only had 2 setups. Check this 5 sim out, how cool it is. We've only had 2 setups. There's your 2 entry shorts. We had a big one this morning and a big one yesterday. And let me show you the long also. There's our entry long. Take a look how the 5 sim is very important. Right there's your 3.5. There's your 3.5. There's your 3.5. They all reversed off of it. We're dialed in right with these algorithms. Check it out. Right at it, right? Well, that's a long time frame. That's your roadmap chart. Okay, your 5 sim Renko on all markets. It just doesn't work on crude and gold. It works on all. Right? So knowing this, I can use the 3 sim, a smaller time frame, for a trigger. But I would not, if you're new to the room, I would not trade any trades unless you have market profile confluence. Look at this sell. We had a J signal trend change here in the 3 sim. Look how it retraced to the HVA and also the line in the sand, the black line in the sand. When this black line and market profile overlap, you have confluence. When I break below low value, I look for an ABC short immediately. I broke low value. I immediately look to retest low value for an ABC short. There it is. Nailed it. So not only did we nail it on the long time frame because we had HVA overlapping the J signal line in the sand, we had the same darn thing that happened twice here on the 3 sim too. They both were market profile driven. You must use market profile in this room to be successful. Market profile came out in 1985. It's still successful today. Almost 15 years it has worked. But you got to know how to use it. And the best way to use it is my number 1 and number 3 patterns. This is a number 1 at the high and also a number 3 together. And this is a number 3 right here. You break down through LVA. You retest LVA on your own Ninja charts. You look for continuation. If I would have broke out of HVA, I would have retested HVA for continuation. There's my bullseye trades with the yellow red dots in the middle. Right there they are. But notice how market profile, HVA overlapped it there. There's my LVA. They all overlap market profile. Okay? Use the big time frame, the 5 sim Renko here on gold. I cannot crude. I can't stress this enough. Look at the inflection points we got using the big time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back-to-back trades on calling the swing highs and swing lows using the big 5 sim Renko. This is the roadmap chart. You have to get used to it. It's our proprietary sim Renko chart that we use. If you're going to be successful in here, you must use this chart for the setup. You must use my black charts. At the same time, look at the black charts. My bottom left is volume profile. There's the red dots called the high. Here's my price profile. It was an 0242 price profile. My volume profile was 0239 on my volume, bottom left. And then my developing profile over here on your own Ninja charts, it works on your own Ninja charts. My developing profile was 0246, right? At the time, it was 0242. We had 3 times market profile on this short at the high. 3 times market profile, and we only have 3 market profiles in the room. We can't get better than that. It's awesome. All right, so good job, guys and gals. I want to make sure you get this down.